Welcome back to the bench. Now my next project I want to work on requires me to have a fair number of balanced I/O coming from my patch bay. So I have a multicore here, an 8-way, it's actually a 16-way, but I'm using 8 cores to go to my Bantam patch bay. And a while back I had terminated this onto some strip board. Originally there was a pin header which connected on this side, and then we plug into the breadboard. I'd originally wired it unbalanced because I think I was more sending modular signals via the patch bay to get to the bench. But now I need to convert this into a proper full analog balanced I/O. And I decided that I was going to design a discrete solution and order it from PCBWay.com. So today the package has arrived. It's quite exciting. I don't normally go for black PCBs, but this is such a simple circuit, and I went with gold immersion because I wanted to have both our logos showing really nice. So we'll see if I have managed to achieve that correctly. And the board is 2mm thick, a bit thicker than normal, because I wanted. Ooh, now that looks pretty damn nice. Let's just cut these out. Yeah, sorry. So it's quite thick board, so it's nice and sturdy to take any weight. My original design had a single header pin, and for this I use a double header pin. And I've also added some extra headers so that the signals can be unbalanced. And here's a close-up. Looks fantastic. And originally, before I had the idea to design this, I was going to use this Arduino shield and somehow cobble that together. But now, this is going to be amazing. My patch bay is on that side of the room, so as you can see I can plug it in this way. But what if your patch bay is on the other side of the room? Ta-da! It makes no difference, so I made it ambidextrous. If you're working on big projects, you could even have 8 channels in and out. So I'm going to build one of these now, and I'm going to do the best job I can on this side of things with some heat shrink, make it look nice, and I'll never have to touch this again, unlike this one which needed constant repairing. Okay. Okay, yeah, that all works absolutely perfectly. So a big thanks to PCBWay.com. I'm going to make this available publicly on their share, so if you go to the website you can actually download it and buy it yourself. Or I'm going to put a couple on eBay via my really nice audio.com website. But there we go, we have a Bantam to 8-way breadboard connector. Catch you next time.